is nothing left, grandmother. All over. Everything's burnt down to ashes, grandmother. The kitchen caught fire. You know, grandmother, Uncle Roshomai and all other employees think that the new factory worker, the man from Jonai whom I employed, he was the one who started the fire. But why would he do this, grandmother? Why would he do this? What would he gain from this?
Mithai, leave all this for now. Don't you see your grandpa's condition? Listen. Why are you breaking down like this? Have we seen less disasters in this life?
No, Sushma. Sidhu sweet maker doesn't break down so easily. I can make sweets with a towel on my shoulder. I can still supply them to the shops. Burning down a sweet factory isn't enough to shake me up. No. But there is a rising suspicion in my heart.
Why, Grandpa? Why are you saying this?
Dad, please have this hot tea. Yes, what suspicion were you talking about?
I mean, I have this suspicion that there is a conspiracy behind this.
Why do you think that way, Grandpa? I mean, accident happens. There might be a gas leakage or something else.
Would it be right to inform grandfather about Aditya in this condition? No. Grandfather is already quite broken up inside. No matter what he says. And there is no evidence either that they were the ones behind this.
Grandpa, tell us, what are you thinking?
I thought that nothing had happened so many years. But today suddenly, how can Rosma and all employees suddenly be so careless? And the guy Mithai employed, why is he missing? And if there was a gas leakage, they would have smelled it. But I don't understand. Mithai was in the factory till evening.
Grandfather. Grandfather, don't worry so much. Such a disaster struck as under Lord's watch right before Janmashtami. Then Lord will help solve everything as well. Weren't you saying this just a time ago, Grandfather? Don't be so disheartened. We need to think about how we can stock the sweet shops. We were supposed to prepare the special sweets as the customers asked for them. I have an idea, Grandfather. What if we arrange for a huge stove in the courtyard, and if we make the arrangements for preparing sweets there, so that everyone can enjoy that special sweets? What do you say, Grandfather?
Mithai? My lord, you are quite darling, really. Even after such a huge disaster, you are still...
That's why I like Mithai so much. I mean, she was so broken, but look at how she has sprung back up. You wait, Mithai. Let Samresh and others return first. Let's see what the police have to say.
We just took their name. What's this? Why are the police at home? Uncle Samresh, what's the matter?
Dad, the fire at our base kitchen was not an accident. It was an arson, intentionally done by the people employed for this. The police have evidence.
You have found evidence? Who? Who did this? Didn't I tell you, Sushma, that I have a suspicion in my
Inspector.
heart?
I'm telling you again, you are making a big mistake. The one you are doubting, it's impossible for her to do anything of this sort.
That will be proved in court, Mr. Amrish. See, the law has its own course. Currently, the evidence we have is the basis for this arrest warrant. That's the fact.
Hey, Amu, what's all this? What warrant?
Grandpa, the police have sufficient evidence that Mithai employed people to burn down Siddheshwar Modak base kitchen. Sir, please show the warrant to Grandpa. Grandpa, I registered an FIR on hearing about the fire. Uncle Roshmai called me to tell about a guy named Makhan, and then police found the ties connecting Mithai to that particular man.
Ties. Connection with me? What are you saying, Brother Som? You were there, Brother Som, when I employed Makhan. You know I didn't know him earlier at all.
Uncle Samresh, what is happening here? I agree that the fire incident is a huge disaster. But how can you let Mithai be humiliated like this?
Samresh, didn't Siddharth ask you not to blame Mithai needlessly? You couldn't even honor such a small request of your son? Shame on you! You've stopped so low, Samresh, that you are getting your daughter-in-law arrested? Ratul, we need to contact Siddharth anyhow right now.
I knew everyone would point fingers at me. Amrish, you tell Dad. Did I say anything about this or not?
No, sir. The matter is not so simple. An FIR was registered with us for the fire. And at the spot, we saw that the electric lines had been short-circuited. The kitchen was old, but not the electric lines. That's where we had our doubts. And when we started checking the lines, we saw that wires had been messed with. And it was clearly evident that someone did this. It's an intentional crime, not an accident.
No, 1 second, officer. Officer, how is Mithai coming into all this? What are you implying to say Mithai did the short circuit? Officer, she makes sweets. She's not an electrician. Please.
Mithai? There's no need for you to stay here. What have you guys done? Dad? Som, uncle? Why did you do this? You falsely blamed Mithai and brought the police at home to arrest her? This does not happen in this family. Go to your room, Mithai.
1 minute, ma'am. Please let the police do their job. See, we did not come here without sufficient evidence. Mithai Das is being arrested for the crime of arson in Siddheshwar Modak's base kitchen. Arrest her.
Why would Mithai do this? Please, someone call Rudra, please. But Grandma, Rudra is not here. What is happening in our family?
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you doing all this? Have you thought about what the neighbors will say if they come to know about this? Why would Mithai do any of this? Tell me.
Why are you thinking all this, Sulata? Did I not tell them all this? I've told them everything. And Mithai, Aditya Agarwal contacted you and offered you something. He gave you a file as well. Why didn't you inform us about that?
Uncle, I had already rebuked Aditya a lot.
I was completely silent until now, Dad. It took me a lot to be quiet. But if we dissuade the police from doing their job now, the entire blame will fall upon Siddheshwar Modak Group. The insurance company will think we intentionally committed arson for an insurance claim, so that we can rebuild the infrastructure anew. That's what you want, right? This is how you pay back for everyone's love. Shame!
Samrash! Be quiet! Be quiet, you! What are you saying and to whom? I had to see this day too. Mithai, you don't need to stand here. Go inside. Go. Let me see how the police arrest
Grandpa!
you.
Should I say something?
Not a single word. I asked you to go inside. Just go. Take her inside.
Grandpa, the police are here to arrest Mithai. They have a warrant. Ratul, Rajiv, please try to explain it to Grandpa. We can't interfere with police proceedings like this. Yes, we can appeal to court for a bail.
Hey, what is Sham saying? What will happen to Mithai? Nothing of the sort ever happened in Manohara.
See, I'm asking again. Please don't interfere with police proceedings. We'll be compelled to apply force now, and that isn't something I want to do.
No. No, Inspector. There is no need to use force. Mithai understands it completely. Grandfather? Let the police do their job.
What are you saying? Do you know what you're saying?
Mithai knows this much, Grandfather. And Mithai also knows. When Lord has brought such a shame to Mithai before the festival, there has to be a reason for that. Grandfather, if Mithai is innocent, the Lord will save Mithai. Mithai also knows that the Lord is always with those who speak the truth. So Lord will definitely save Mithai, Grandfather. Just stay safe, Grandfather. Just stay safe. Your grandson handed over this responsibility to me. Let's go, Inspector. Will you put the handcuffs on?
Mithai!
What is all this happening, brother Rajiv? Where did Mithai go? What is happening? Let's do one thing. You go to the police station. I'll try to inform Sid, yeah?
Yes.
Please.
Sandy, we need a lawyer. Come quickly.
Lord had to subject us to this day as well. What will my grandson think if he finds out about this? Shame, shame, shame. What is the evidence they have against Mithai?
Torsha, there's a good news.
Aunt? Aunt, you're back? Torsha didn't inform me. She just told me to come over. Torsha, Mithai is arrested as per your plan. Have you heard it, Aunt?
Yeah, Shom. I heard it all. Okay, so tell me this. Don't you have even a silver of intelligence? How could you commit such a big crime? Will you both be able to handle such a big crime now? There will be a detailed investigation. Keep this in mind. ACP Rudradev Banerjee is returning soon.
Mom, you're scolding us even after returning after so long. There was no other option left with us than what we did, was there?
Oh my lord, Tess, you're such a foolish girl. Why don't you get it? Aditya Agrawal made his luck with this opportunity. If your names come out in the investigation now, he'll be in the safe zone. If Siddheshwar Modak suffers losses, it's Aditya Agrawal's profit. You don't even have the wisdom to understand it.
Aunt, I had warned Torsha, but she...
Shom, don't you dare flip back now, please. Mom, see if you can avoid getting bail for Mithai. It resolves everything, right? And I will go to Singapore as soon as I can to assist Sid. Mom, I think no one else can do anything now.
And me? What will I do, Torsha?
Disgusting. Really, Tess? You do not even understand the significance of the event, right? Why do you forget you have such a great career ahead? Why do you forget about such a great career of yours,
Because
Tess?
of Mithai, Mom. Everything is happening due to Mithai. I want to see her behind bars, that's it. And you need to do that, Mom. And Mom, don't you worry about me at all. See, if I go to Sid, everything will be all right. And honestly speaking, I'm finally at peace after so long.
Aunt, is there a way to make sure our names don't come up in this investigation? Is there any way?
That Makhan person?
Shankar, his actual name.
Okay. What's the proof there? I mean, how have you instructed him these last few days?
Actually, from another phone with Mithai's SIM.
Shom, switch off the phone right now. Discard it along with the SIM. My lord. Tess, did you ever call Shankar from home?
No, Aunt. From different spots.
Okay. At least you had that much sense. Let me see. I need to call the police. Even greater than Mithai's punishment, the main concern to me is your safety.
No, Mom. Mithai needs to be punished. Because of her, I can't sleep at night. She has to suffer. You need to ensure that. You have to.
Yes, I understand, but we can't go with this design. It's blocking the natural light. Look, as I've mentioned before, we are trying to make this project as eco-friendly as possible. You have to listen to me. Just check out the design. Just a sec. Hey, Mithai, give me a cup of black coffee. What am I doing? The same thing again. Mithai. What's happening to me? I don't know what's wrong with me. Why did I suddenly see Mithai? And why am I thinking that she is crying? I don't know why am I getting involved in such silly sentiments. Nonsense. All the useless imagination at the time of work. Sid, focus, Sid. Focus.
Today is Friday, which means we can't get her to court before Monday. Actually, you know what? There's nothing we can do about these things at all. Just look at the amount of proof we have against her. I mean, I can't let her go just on your words. You can go and talk to her for 2 minutes, there's no problem with that. Hey, Meenakshi.
Sir,
Okay, please take them to Mithai Das's cell. Only 2 minutes. Hey, which cell has Mithai been put in? That one with Bakul.
Yes, sir. I'll be back.
Brother Rajiv and Brother Sandy. You are here?
You here like this? Brother Rajiv, how can Mithai stay here for 2 days like this?
No, Brother Sandy. What's the problem with that? Even my lord was born in a cell like this. And when he put me here right before the festival, the Lord surely has planned something. Brother Rajiv, you must tell grandmother to celebrate and organize the festival. She must not cancel that as Mithai is not there. And ask Uncle Rosomoy and the team whichever sweets the customers asked for. We should be able to provide them with all of that. I'm just wondering how I will perform the ritual in here.